All right, everyone, the court is calling 2022 CR 11862, State of Texas versus Alexander Castro. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Daniel Clark, case of Mary Hamilton State.
Defense?
Jasmine Molina and Jason Goss with Mr. Castro.
And Mr. Castro is present?
Yes, Judge.
All right, the court has received several questions from the jury. The first question was, we have a juror with an urgent medical situation, please come see us. So both parties were aware of that. Is that correct, state?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes.
Defense?
Yes, Judge.
And what ended up happening is EMS was called. The juror wants to continue to deliberate. Any objections from the state or the defense?
No, Your Honor.
None for defense.
Any objections to the jurors continuing to deliberate with this juror? State?
No.
Defense?
No.
The next question states, if the county clerk document was entered into evidence, can we be provided that document? The court proposes the following supplemental charge. With reference to your inquiry, you now have before you all the testimony, exhibits, and evidence that was admitted, and you are instructed to continue your deliberations. Did both parties have a chance to review the juror question?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
Any objection to the court's supplemental charge?
No, Your Honor.
Next question. We have a disagreement that the defense had a sworn document from the county clerk that the defendant had not been convicted of a felony in this or any other state. Can we have court reporter document about this topic? Have both parties had a chance to review the question? State? Defense?
Yes.
Any objection to the following supplemental charge? With reference to your inquiry, review the charge of court on punishment, page 2, paragraph 3. Any objection? State? Defense, any objection?
No objection.
The next question the jurors have, the jurors are in disagreement about the defendant's mother's testimony regarding knowledge of versus certainty that her son did not have prior convictions of felonies. Can you please provide court reporter's transcript, including the question asked from the attorney to prompt her? Have both parties had a chance to review the question? State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
Yes, Judge.
Have both parties had a chance to review the certified transcript prepared by the court reporter as the answer? State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
Yes.
Any objection to that being the answer? State?
No, Your Honor.
Defense?
No objection.
Next question. The jury is in disagreement about the charge of the court on punishment, specifically page 2, last sentence. It will be granted by the court. We don't know who the court is. Can you clarify? Have both parties had a chance to review the juror's question? State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
Yes, Judge.
Any objection to the supplemental charge? The court is the presiding judge, Judge Stephanie Boyd. Any objections? State? Defense?
No, Judge.
Next question. The jury is in disagreement about probation, specifically if we have any say in the term or conditions, or if the court decides. Can you please clarify? Have both parties had a chance to review the question? State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
Yes, Judge.
Any objection to the following supplemental charge? With reference to your inquiry, you have all the law before you. Please continue your deliberations. State, any objections?
No, Your Honor.
Defense, any objections?
No objection.
Any objection to the court sending those questions with the answers attached to the jurors? State? Defense?
No, Judge.
And with regards to the first question about the juror needing medical, that's not going to go back because that wasn't a legal question for us to decide. All right, thank you, Deputy Laura. If you'll take that back to them. And Maria, if you will keep this as a part of your record, please.
Yes, Judge. Thank you.
All right, so everyone, we will recess and see where we are.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. And if y'all want to go to lunch, y'all are free to go to lunch. As I said, for both family, nothing will happen unless